Unable to preview the video. That's the error message generated by the YouTube app when I want to upload a video using the plus button. Select a video with that ad. That's the video which I want to upload. When I tap on next, I get this unable to preview video, and it's not going to work. It's not going to upload that video. So how to fix this problem? Go back with the back arrow. Notice we are on short. Don't select short, but select video. So tap on video, select the same video from the list. Now, although it's a vertical video, it is showing a portion of it on horizontal. Tap on next. No, it's not made for kids. Upload video. And it's stealing the name from a different video. I tried it before and the name was different, but it is uploading it. Notice it is shown in the video category, not in the short category. Now it's processing it, but later the same video which is shown on horizontal, it will be in the shorts category and it will be on vertical. Upload it to your channel. Notice it got gray. And if I refresh this page, the video will disappear from the videos category. And it's gone. And if I go to shorts, show only the private videos, private. And it has to be this one. And yes, there is a jumping frog. So you cannot upload it here at the plus icon from the shorts category, but you can upload it in the videos category, and the application is recognizing that's a vertical video and it will automatically put it into the shorts category.